welcome to my channel. I'm Mally. I hope this video finds you well. So it's currently 7:47. Ooh, I wonder what this number means. Do you ever look up like number meanings? I do. I'm about to go to sleep soon. But you know, as you can see, I have a full face of makeup on. I rarely ever wear makeup, but tonight I did. And my sister did my makeup. I absolutely love it. I'm so obsessed. This whole eye makeup is so pretty. I don't want to take it off, but I have to. I am so tired. I could just feel it in my eyes. And I thought this would be the perfect opportunity for me to remove my makeup. I'm going to be using the Danielle Creations. It's a 4 towels or chiffon if you're from France. And this says erase your face. It's a reusable makeup removing cloth for sensitive skin. It's 100% polyester. You know, it's water activated. And it has instructions on the back for you. Now it says to machine wash before first use, but I'm not gonna do that just because it's too late. Like, I'm gonna do this now. It also says to dampen the cloth with warm water and gently wipe away makeup. Rinse and hang to dry. My sister used the Be Perfect cosmetic palette, and if you know about the Be Perfect palette, then you know how pigmented that is, and it kind of leaves like a stain afterwards. And she used like berry colors, so let's see how well it does. So this is the cloth. It feels like velvety and plush. I like it. So let's see what this is all about. Let me get the warm water on. So I don't know, it's weird. I feel like when I was trying to wet it, it was like missing some spots. Well, I guess because it is polyester. So it was, I don't know. It just doesn't feel like you're damping like a regular cloth. So I'm gonna remove my eyelashes. Oh, this feels so good. Was it satisfying for you guys? I'm gonna mirror to see. Okay, I see some makeup. Wow. It's doing a really good job at taking this off. All of my forehead acne coming through. But it really did remove it all with just warm water. I'm gonna do like my whole cheek and then I'll go over my eyes. Okay. Now I have waterproof mascara on the bottom lids only, so let's see how well it removes the mascara, the eyelash glue. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is so good. Why did it take me so long to use this? Yeah, I'm gonna do the other half of my face now. My true colors are coming out. I'm a ghost. Oh, I'm gonna give y'all one. This takes off all of your makeup.
I still see makeup on your face.
Where? Show me where.
Yo, inner corner, girl.
Well,
There's glitter on your face.
Yeah, I'm inner, because I'm doing it on camera. Let's see. I thought it was gonna leave a stain here from the eyeshadow, but nope, it didn't. It took it off. I'm gonna give y'all one. I want the what? The pink one? Yeah. And like I didn't wash it, so it's like leaving some cloth on me.
Do you have to wash it before you?
Oh wow, it's even taken off the glue.
I'm worried about like rubbing your, like, are you rubbing your
I'm
skin
not.
too hard?
That's the thing. I'm not rubbing it too hard. It even took my matte lipstick off, so I like it.
Pretty.
I look crazy right now.
Oh.
Thank you for being my audience. Now let's see how well this rinses off. I'm gonna do one part real quick, see how well it does rinse off. Yeah, I think this is gonna need a wash. Wow. This did so good, y'all. I did not expect it to do this good. Like, this is gonna be my nighttime buddy when I have makeup on. Like, who needs makeup removers anymore when you have this? Well, I am so glad I finally tried this out. If you haven't heard of it, now you know. Every girl should have this. Every girl and her mom and her auntie and her sister and her cousins should have this, literally. This is so amazing. This will save you so much time and money when it comes to makeup removers. Now, obviously you would wash your face afterwards with a cleanser, but this is awesome. I love it. So this is it for the review. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with my night facial routine. And just to clarify again, I was not rough with my face at all. Literally, you just need a gentle swipe and the makeup is off, and you might have to go over, a few times, but it really did, for the most part, took everything off. I will see you all in the next video. Mwah. Bye.